Hi guys, in today's short video, I want to talk about microtest. Microtest in Haiyaa side is an optional module working with our VDB software, VariPrint. On the market, especially on the security application market, many suppliers say they can support very small microtest or microfont. They can reach to 1 point. It is very small. It can't be read without the magnifier. But in my view, it is not real microfont or microtest. In Haiyaa side, we can reach to much smaller. Before detail introduce the features of Haiyaa microfont or microtest module, I show you on the screen there's two pictures. One picture is taken by iPad plus magnifier. It is printed out by HP Indigo 6600. Very clear. The height of microtest we can reach to 0.25. Below picture, another example printed by Fuji Film JetPress. It is much more smaller. It can reach to 0.14 mm. What's the difference between Haiyaa Microtest Module and the third-party software? They provide the microtest based on normal font, just to make it smaller. But in Haiyaa side, we found this way is not a good way. It will become black drop. So we develop our own microtest module in another way. Haiyaa microfont is a pixel matrix based. It's related to the printer's resolution. We develop our microfont two types. One type is 5 by 6 pixel. Another is 5 by 7 pixel. If you use the 5 by 6, some character will confuse with another. Sometimes it's not good. If we're using the 5 by 7 pixel max, no confused, so it's good. So we embedded the 5 by 7 pixel matrix microfont in our microtest module. Besides very clear and very sharp, we can also support many other features. Haiyaa's special is make the content variable. Of course, the color is variable. Before detail introduce the technical things or the another feature, I give some examples to you, let you know what's the application of Haiyaa microfont. First, we can introduce Haiyaa microtest. We can make the content variable and the color is variable. The color can be programmed based on database, each character. And we also have a special feature binding some character with some color. For example, 1 always cyan, 2 always magenta. Besides CMYK, we also can support spot color. In some special case, they want use logo color to print microtest. Another is we can allow our customer to customize microfont. After design, they can embed it into Haiyaa software. In the future, they can use in their own microfont. I show you. For example, this is a normal microfont we embedded in our software. Customer can, for example, in this case, they can remove a dot for 4 characters. Remove it becomes this type. So in the future, they can using 1, 2, 3, 4 this new type for their own. After buy our software, we will guide them how to design microfont. Then embedded into Haiyaa software. In the future, they can using their own microfont. Another feature is we can support overprint. Like this, I show you. Some documents like to print microtest overlap with the background. Yeah, this is a normal example. I show you a very interesting example video. I just pick up this. In this type of QR code, we embedded microfont. Our microfont is overprinted with the bottom normal QR code. I suggest the customer using invisible ink to print microtest. Then in the normal light, see nothing, but under the UV light, they can see very small microtest overlap this QR code. Another example is we can embedded microfont into the line of Wendy barcode. It is also overprinted. I show you another example. Some customer using microtest module to print like this. Happy New Year. We can automatically define a word a color. That means we can support one word, one color. And more feature is we can support Arabic number microtest. Capital letter, small letter, we can support like this. We can support all of ask-to with microtest. This ask-to character need to be designed by customer. Okay, I show some examples of our microfont or microtest application. For example, this one we can embed it into the font mark of QR code. microfont and a microfont around the black square and fill the black square. And this is another example. You can see this one, microtest variable. It's in the security label support like this example. Using the microtest as the stroke of the letter. I show another examples. Here is the XAMPad, mainly on the ShiftPad. I just let you know the idea of how to apply the microfont on the document. This is the admission ticket example, like this. It's a microtest. And the certificate, you see this line, like a dash line. Actually, it's a microtest. Then I show you another example. It's a diploma, black line under the name. Yeah, it's a microtest. And the ID card, there's a outline. Actually, it is microtest. It's a voucher. Yeah, like this is microtest around the latent image. It's difficult to be found. If you like microtest on your document to be a security method, I suggest you to print this example first on your own digital printer. In this example, we make different size, different setting. You can test our example on your machine to find what size appropriate on your printer or what setting is better for your digital. As I said to you, Haiyaa Microtest is pixel based. We print out this target file with different resolution. It's better using our target file to print out to find parameter. Okay, this is the live demonstration of Haiyaa Microtest module. Thanks for your watching.